Bazala bam Mzito, welcome to Umgosi Nomagatsheni. I am Umagatsheni. Umgosi wethu wanamhlanje bazala bam Mzito, it's about Umbali Sikhotsana, a TikToker with the content that has pagan umyeni wami cooking content, guys. So Umbali Sikhotsana, guys, posted a video exposing ex-husband like also ama-chats, and she posted a video explaining why yena nendoda yakhe but ex-husband bahlukene. She posted a video ye-evidence whereby ashongisa the other lady engathi uyamshaya or engathi uyamkhuza, I don't know, but the husband, guys, now posted a video that he later deleted telling his side of the story. Guys, let me just post the videos of the husband, then I'll come back with the rest of my commentary.
Guys, ke tla mo lona guys, ke tlo bua this thing ya ex e trendang hore ne ke abuser ntho tse ngata, lot of stuff tse ngata nje guys. First of all, ke kopane le ex a na le mathata. Yes, ne ke dula kwa hae, then a njwetsa mathata, go na le mathata, is going through counseling. Then I said to her, okay sharp, I will support you. I will wait, take your time. Then ke mo khapha di counseling ke tsamalena because apparently ex ya hae nka re la msia ko tlung habo, ya tsamaya yo nyala ngwana no mong ya msia habo, ya qolla re tswe habo yo nyala ngwana no mong, ba move out ba yo dula somewhere. Then nka re ex name threatenisha yona, I threatenisha guy. Then guy a bona hore no, I'm tired of this. Then I end up sa tswa habo ba msile le ntlo, ba re ke ntlo ya hae se ha batho ba habo, o tlo e kata. Then a qolla ka tsamaya. Then ka mthola na le mathata, then ka ke mkhapa ke bana le snake, ke mkhapa ex. Then comes a point where a bana le mathata a jareteng. Then ka monka ka dula le ena le bana ba hae. It was December that time. Then le mo ka market re then le boetsalang ka mbetsa store, ka mbela store because now ke mratile ex. Then ga dula wa bona le bana same room e ne ke robala ho yona ko Yesu, re dula le bana ba re ba alla fatshe rona re robala betheng. That time na bana ba ka ba remember that. Then ka mbetsa we need to find a place. Then ra tsamaya ga ya ko di present ko Midrand. Ka kile ka mbetsa ka re need to ke batla ho move ke Midrand nna because ke rata north. Then I told her man descended tsa ka mola wa bona ka itlwella. Then along the way ra tla ra thola pleke Windmill Park. That's when we start moving, and ne sa re tlo move together, but now una le mathata and se re na le relationship really too. That's when re le ra tsamaya ra dula together. Then we start doing things together. I bought furniture, ka nka furniture ka ne dula le yona ko hae, ka itlisa ko tlung, ka reka furniture. Thirdly, a ke support ke basadi. Now I've done everything tlung ela, ha ona ntho ke sa e rekang ko tlung ela. Secondly, ex ne ke metsetsa everything. Ex o kgola high one in a month. Now I'm doing a money every day, and ke tla le tjhelete every day. Fourthly, a ke hopole ke mo kopa tjhelete ke ra mfe tjhelete. Instead nna ne ke fa yena tjhelete a le ka tjhelete ya petrol. Manala it was up to date, the eyelash up to date. Ne ke tseba there is a budget ya hae tla me ke mfe yona. That is why apparently na o nthotse ke shootela bo dijo, ne ke le motho ratang shoota dijo, shoota makonya, shoota snowfish. Ke a utshe jwale, ke ithatela phone guys, ke ithatela o ipostatsa, ke posta ntho tse ipetelang le tse sa ipeteleng. Then that's when ke content ya hae e qadile ya ba ntho e ba motho reng le nna ne ke sa tsebe go a pheya ex. Then ha shoota ha mphakela ke mo shoota wa bona. That's when I created that content hele ya hore man ke a bona o rata ho shoota and o rata ho poster wa bona. Then that's when ka poster ne ke poster, then ya qala jwale that content. Then ya that's when tse re qala jwanong ho bana le that ho tumanyana social media ho ba mnate. Then suddenly ke dula le bana ba hae, nna bana ba ka dula le bona. Bana ba ka ba kgone ho tjhaka, ma ke dula le bana ba hae. Ke reka Woolworths, bana ba ka tsebe nna morao ba jang. It feel bad for ntwe ngwana ka natla iwane then azanga tshware ever since ngwana ka zanga sakla. Bana ke bana ba kgona ho bua, and ha ka me ke mention bana ba ka o bana le enga towards that, then ha ke bua ka bana ba hae hore they need to go ba yo dula habo wa kwata o ha ona motho a tla ba katang. But ona tje ke ile ka tswa mara bana ba isa ba dula habo. Funny things are happening mo bophelong. I get try we justify hore ke be in the right position or jwang guys. I'm tired. This is side of my story. Ke kgathetse guys. Ke batla le jwetsa ke a tseba ne le semetse that before nako alla ex a etsang like jwetsa hore this guy why at now I'm tired. I'm not saying because now o hlahisa bo di abusive what ke a tla mo di abusive what ke tlo le jwetsa story se nyeke le understand. Ha re ka bana le argument plus utsuba le matekwana ke ha re ka bana le argument, he will make wa screamer a screame a tswe ka koloi a etse mehlolohlolo ka koloi a tsamaye ke molatelle o tse ke a mmathisa ka koloi ke batla khutle ha ke tsebe ya a njwetse de o ipolang yena o kgathetse life ya hae eng ha e kopanya ke ipotse hore then what's going on. Then ha sa khutle ko di sense tsa hae a khutla go mame pele ka kope tshwarelo nya tolisa ke khopela tshwarelo ntse ne ke sa tsebe etsela bophelo ke mqolle guys. E khutla hape ntwe a etse something a itahlele fatshe a itahlele fatshe be nka re ke a mshapa, but they will believe ke shapa ngwana ba tsene ke sa mshapa. Neng ibe ntshwele go pusha o batla o pusha o mo provoke ke tla tabeng ya abuse ya video circulator guys. Ya abuse ya video circulator. So a tsoka ka shapa msadi ex na itahlela fatshe ba tleng ka re ke mshapile. Ex na ka etsa everything to prove hore ke am abuse and ke am abuse. And a funny thing o ka se re ha no dula le ex because ke ntho tse etsalang go bophelong ha se o hlokane le ex then ba tla hlahisa diphoso tsa o tsa kgale. Why na sa dihlahisi that time, why na re ho batho he ba se happy. So thirdly o latile ngwana batho a ituletse go ntlong ya hae wa ska bana le motho reng o ile go yena a yo etsang a yena o tlile ntlong ya batho and o kila mo meet before ba kopana ba dula fatshe ne se le ba khotsi ba founelana. So o molatile ngwana ba tshazang amshape ha o ke mo buella ngwana ba tshazang amshape na mo khotsa mtshwara yena na le pizza shapa ngwana batho. That's why ngwana batho tene ya monka buisetsa fatshe a monka video ke tlo bontsha setjhaba se hore wena o fitla o bua maka o sona hore o etsang o ipeya butleng and deep down you not ke ex number 2 eo. So Portia o fitla le ex number 2 se sa le bophelong ba ka o fitla ke le sengele ke itulela ke le ke dula ke le na guys because there was speculations hore ke dula le di neighbor ke dula le neighbor. There's no such. Ke itulela ke le ke itshebeletsa nna ke ketsetsa tšhelete ka every day ke sebetsa batho a ke skeme batho ke sebetsa batho. People will come with good results. A ke ngaka fake nna. I know you will say yeah ke ngaka jwang. I'm not a ngaka fake. I'm helping people will ba ka bua ka nna. Ngwana batho o fitlile a itswela tswatwa Portia tswatwa guys. Portia duleng ke dula ke le relationship ya ka le ex number 1 ha ya fela because of Portia nthola already le ex number 2 ha isa leo in a picture. Ex number 1 o kile a tla mo ka di 31 tsa December a tla mo a ke tsebe ke mamfonetse ngo whatever e etsaetseng a tla mo ka di 31 ke dutse le Portia re tlo kgaola selemo together a tla mo a batla mo shapa ba tlo etsa ntho tsa batlang go di etsa bana o tlwaetse go etsa ntho tse wa kere azang ka montsha ka mo jareteng ka mo tsetsa ka ntle ya ba nthoela go ronna mantswe ya go tsena go tlo mpontsha go rena ke mang. So ex number 1 o ilang ka this thing ya hore social media wa winner and we winner ka dikeledi and people they will believe it go dikeledi tsa guys. Hona le banna ba hore ba dula in a abusive relationship but they don't talk about it. they rather move out and start afresh. Ho na le banna ba reng ke makhawati o tlo nka eng a tsamaya lo ipolaya re sa tsebe o ipolelang. I know basadi la buellana at the same time la hatellana ko bophelong. Ha le ratane le basadi, you're supposed to stand to hear the side of my story ska ke le ex. This is side of my story. A ke soka ka support-a ke ngwanana mo fitlang ke a rata, and I will do anything hore ngwana ba thabe shape ko bophelong. Nna ke iketsetsa tjhelete ka secondly, ke rata bana ba ka steadily. Fourthly, ke rata ntho tse ntle, ke rata botle. A ke motho le horeng ha ke utlwana le yona ke tlameha ke o kwalle ka ntle. A ke motho le horeng a ke batlo bona mosadi a sa etsa manala. A ke motho le horeng a ke batlo bona mosadi a sotleha. Ha o lla ke tlo assist. But ka tjeno ke motho mobe o reng o ja basadi ditjhelete, o reng nna ke na motse, because le ra ke na motse ha ona mo ke dulang teng. Nna ke dula ha ka dula ke le one, ke dula in the same apartment. And Phosha wa ntjhakela, Phosha wa tsamaya le ona ke kgutlela hae, o kgutlela sekolong. So ex number one must know this thing ke sitse ko diloyeng tsa ka. I'm taking a legal route now. I'm sick and tired of this. I know people, they won't believe me. People will say, why, hey. It's fine, I understand. I'm not doing this for people. I'm doing this for myself and my freedom. Because at the end of the day, because now
So that is ex-husband Mbali Skhosana telling his side of the story. Guys, I'm sorry, but let's just as women take accountability. Mbali was wrong. Why would Mbali go to visit that lady? And you hear Ulebu Mbali was not invited there, and Ulebu told Mbali angsakufuni bekasamoshela for in. And if you listen to this video, you'll see go to Mbali, that means which is understandable, but the behavior, guys, is not understandable. Okay, fine. That girlfriend that she introduced to Lebu, that she invited to Kwake, the girlfriend that avumile, even though in the manipulated so that you can agree to a same system, but you end up agreed and you invited this lady to your house. You didn't stand your ground as you did to the first husband. But the first husband also wanted his same. Even his statement is saying the first husband wanted his same. Umbali didn't agree to his same. The first husband's hands are moving out to she Umbali. So the second husband wanted his same. When we are sivumi same, thinking guti ma uvumi same uzohlala now. The husband is telling you know what, angisakufuni usamwashela for in. Okay, asuke lapha. And if you hear the video Umbali I posted, the guys, uyambuza the lady who's taking a video, uyabuza ukuthi ungishayelani ufuna ngikubophisa, uthi no. So let's just take accountability, guys. Umbali was wrong to go to indlela mfazi, as much as indoda yiyo wrong udlula wonke umuntu kule situation, but Umbali was wrong. Umbali bekumele athi nendoda yakhe ahlukane nogela. Let's just be honest. And the husband he say ukuthi last year December, not last year December, or the other year it was December on the 31st, and the current girlfriend, which is Phosha Xaba, because with the current girlfriend, they were expect ukuzoncamula unyaka nomuntu wakhe azichilele kumnandi. The girlfriend wafika azoqala uchuku. Understand ukuthi Umbali kusho ukuthi akanakuthula. And I think she's willing to do anything just to keep this boy, this man. Sorry guys, indoda, this husband of hers. But let's just be honest, Umbali was wrong. And even minister Sarah boy, Sarah Lubaba. It's why am I calling this man a boy? It's to Sarah the ex-husband, which is Ulebu. Understand Nyamuzo ex-husband. I do not condone Ukshawa Umbali because he didn't state the reason of him beating Umbali. That is the wrong thing. Him, but he has a right, guys, as a human being to say, I don't want you. I'm no longer in love with you. I want this woman. And I don't think kuti melumuta umuntu. And he's stating that I've never used the malgamad. I've never taken malgamad. So meaning Umbali yena self uhleli nalo muntu ahlelele mhlambe imali or lo muntu ezinayo ukuthi lo mfana uphathana kahle. So that means lo mfana abaspoil makasafuna abajikele like any other man. Guys, let's just be honest. Umbali was wrong. Mina nyamuzo ubhuti lo, but lo bhuti was also wrong. Ukuchithela Umbali was wrong. Ubhuti ukushaya Umbali was wrong. Ubhuti kuko konke ukuthi mangasafuna umbali amtshele than ukuthi amove out, understand, futhi amove to the same complex. I think that his biggest mistake and his biggest wrong. But nje umbali was wrong ukuthi ayovakasha endlini nomunye umfazi, and she was wrong ukuthi afike lapha acala uchu, because the girl uyasho ukuthi why ungithuka, why ungishaya, and uyasho in my life I have never done this. Uwe wangi-invite akakho, ngeza akakho ngoba ungi-invitile kamuzelani, because I'm telling you ukuthi ungangeni uyangena. So bazami Msizwe, please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.